So in the last tutorial I talked about jiggling text but didn't really go into great detail about how to make it, so I'm going to do that now. It'll only take a couple of minutes, stick with me. So grab your Fusion comp, into Fusion, so comp on the timeline, select it, make sure your playhead's over your comp and into Fusion. Bring in your text node and put some meaningful text in there. And pop it into a viewer so you can see what's happening, set it up how you want it, blah de blah. So once you've got your text set up how you want it, come to your text input field, right click and select follower. What this does is it turns on your modifiers button at the top here, so you can now select modifiers. These are all your follower settings. The one we're interested in for this is shading. If you then come down to the bottom to position and just click the keyframe diamond next to offset, this opens another modifier called path 1. You come to center, right click, modify with, shake. This opens up a third modifier, the shake modifier, and this is what we want. These are the settings I use, but you can experiment with them. So minimum is 0.48, maximum is 0.52, and smoothness is 2. Now we need to come back to our follower, so double click that, go to timing and change delay to 2. As I say, these are all arbitrary settings, these are just the ones I used. You can mess about and experiment and get the effect you want. And then when you play, you've got your jiggling text. And that's all there is to it. Cheers!